Pump it up.
All finesse, all finesse.
And like my neck will break just now. Alright everyone, morning! Today is a big day because there's something that's been on my list that I've been wanting to cross off, which is kite surfing. Yay! For those of you who don't know what kite surfing is, it's a good question because I'm not even like too sure how to describe it myself. If you ever see people in the ocean with the boards and the thingy that catches the air and they're just like going like, that's what kite surfing is. I'm gonna go meet my friend Joy. She's coming with me. We're both gonna do it together, and then we're gonna meet another friend of mine, Jake Kelsick, who is, we'll give you his story later, but he's like legit. He's a legit like kite surfer.
Woo. What up guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day.
Jake Kelsick is one of Antigua and Barbuda's very own professional kiteboarders. With over 18 years of experience, Jake has done it all from competing and winning tournaments to getting paid to travel the world and kite. You can check out amazing videos on Jake and his kiteboarding life on his YouTube channel. Right now, Jake and his wife Megan own a kiteboarding school here in Antigua where they coach and teach lessons to beginners and advanced people alike. Jake has been super supportive of me on my YouTube journey, and he's always had me curious about this kiting thing. So I thought it'd be a great idea to give it a try. Come on and check out our first lesson, kiteboarding, here in Antigua. Okay, twin. Yes, sis! Is it Antigua Island Girl?
No.
We're matching. Everyone, this is Joy. Can I say hi?
Oh, hi.
Okay, y'all, we just arrived. Hi, Daddy! You're matching too!
What's up?
In our sunshirts. Yes. Morning! Hi! I want to like hug you, I know, but
We can do elbows.
Yes! Hello, I'm good. I'm Alyssa. Nice to meet you too. I've seen you online.
Oh, you have?
Yes,
Oh, gosh.
yes. I kind of stalk y'all ever so often.
Here's the gear shop.
Yay!
We got every type size. Harnesses, boards, all the toys you need to
do the thing. Yes. This is so cool. No harness?
Yep, so
Okay.
just harness that goes around the waist, around tight. There we go, it's happening. Today's gonna be your first lesson. Like with kiting, it kind of takes a little while to get through the actual riding and everything, but today we're gonna run through all the safety setup, get hands on and like learn about how it all works.
Yes.
And see how it goes.
When you walked over, you made it look a lot. I know! When this fight with me.
I mean, yeah, as you get better, it's quick. Obviously, I'm explaining everything, so it takes a lot longer, but I mean, it takes 5 minutes once you're like in the groove.
Okay.
Everything is
like, you're doing this, you're like, okay, gotta lay out the
yeah, I'm
kites.
gonna do this, gonna talk for 20 minutes.
Walk.
Make sure it's all good. Cool. So basically, next up we're gonna talk about the bar. This little loop here is called the chicken loop. That hooks into your harness hook. This little thing here is called the donkey dick. So you'll probably remember that one.
What's up with the animal references?
I don't know, kiters are just kind of weird, I guess, back in the day. Last thing about safety leash, just goes right on through there. Those are the three things you hook up every time you pick the bar. Chicken loop, donkey dick, safety.
This one has such a boring name now. Safety. In comparison.
Right?
Okay, the chicken loop. Oh wait. Oh, this is already locked in, right?
That's not quite locked in yet, but bend it back.
Ah, okay. Donkey dick. And then my safety thingy or my snake.
Snake neck.
Snake neck. Boom, bam.
Okay. So as we get going, it's going to kind of be how it's going to feel, right? You're gonna
Oh, okay. That's the tension. That's an arm workout.
So let's say something goes kind of, you feel really uncomfortable, you kind of just want it to stop, want the kite to chill. Cool. Like,
You have to tell me that's why. I'm ready to drop this kite. We're gonna fly the kite. Big responsibility here right now. Because if this flies away, party done. I got you, Joy. I got you. I've got Jake. I've got Jake.
Feeling ready?
Yes.
Alright, so here comes the kite. Let's hook that in. And down below. Alright. Kite's all yours. So eyes on that kite. We're going to look up, kind of figure out where it is. Alright, how are we feeling?
Well, like I said, Jake, you made this look a lot simpler than it really is.
I just remember, you know, I've had like 18 years of experience. You've had like 5 minutes.
And yet here I am.
You're still here, kite's still up. We're still chilling, so.
No, that is not what I expected. And like my lower back, like it just felt like.
Yeah, it's kind of a hard feeling. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Again, not what I expected. I really thought that it was so much more in your arms. Because I know, although you said like this, like you do it with your body, I think I just still was thinking it's like.
I gotta muscle it, I gotta fight.
Right. Whereas my back is actually like.
Yeah. Perfect. And then here comes the kite. So I think I'm going to actually grab it from you, give you a little breather, and I'm going to talk through what we're going to do next.
Alright. Woo!
Okay?
And that's toe back the whole time. But other than that, it was very helpful watching Joy.
Pro tip, go second.
Go second, yes.
Basic mechanics, getting time on the bar, getting used to flying, dialing in that, because that is the key thing. You just want to feel comfy hooked up to the kite. Doesn't matter if you're on the beach, in the water, big kite, small kite, it's all the same stuff once you've been on it, you know. And then as you kind of progress past this, that's when you start venturing into the water, and kind of you're just adding more and more layers to what you're doing.
Yeah.
But this is like the core of like, all right, dial it in, feel comfy, and know the launch land, and know how to do everything safely. And then once you dial that in, you progress pretty quickly.
Okay everyone, so the battery's dying and we still have like a little bit more to the lesson. So this is the first half. We're gonna come back again, but thank you so much Jake for having us, and yeah, we're gonna continue to dive in. But yeah, thanks for watching, enjoy, subscribe, like, check out Jake's YouTube channel, and we'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye!
Yeah.
Thanks to our handy cameraman.
What up guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day. Today we're actually hanging out in Barbuda. And yeah, we're gonna go for a little sesh, go for a little explore, kind of take you guys with us. It's a beautiful day, so yeah, should be a good one. Let's go, breeze.
1, 3, 5, go! Coming from the wild, wild West Indies.